Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Indian Beauty Queen. In today's video I'm going to share homemade facial bleach which is very effective. So if you are interested then watch this video till end, and if you are watching my videos for the first time then don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get notified about every latest video update. Now let's see how to prepare this facial bleach. For that I'm going to take a clean bowl. Into this I'm going to add 1 spoon of gram flour, which is also known as besan. I have added 1 spoon of besan. Add some turmeric powder to this. Now squeeze lemon juice, half spoon of lemon juice. Lemon acts as a natural bleaching agent which helps for skin brightening. Lemon is really very good for skin, and turmeric is having antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. And next I'm going to add honey. Add about half a spoon of honey. To this I'm going to add rose water. If you are having oily skin then use rose water, or if you are having dry skin then just use curd or milk instead of rose water. So I'm going to add a rose water and going to mix it until it turns into a smooth paste like consistency. Add a required amount of rose water. Now mix it very well. Our facial bleach is ready. Now you can see the consistency of this facial bleach. It should be like this. It should not be too runny. So this is the exact consistency. Now let us see how to use this facial bleach. After washing your face, just apply even layer. Here I'm using a face pack brush. You can also use even with your fingers to apply and spread it evenly on your skin. There are a lot of chemical bleaches which are available in market, but they will give instant results, but in long run they may damage your skin because they are made with a lot of harsh chemicals which are not good for your skin. Instead of trying those harmful chemical bleaches, try this 100% natural homemade facial bleach. So after it is semi-dried, just with the help of fingertips massage it in circular directions and wash off with normal plain water. So after washing, my skin has surely feeling very soft, and you can see instant brightening effect. It has removed lot of tan from my skin. So for best results I use this facial bleach for at least thrice in a week, so that you will get desired results. I hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and for more interesting and useful videos subscribe to our channel and share this with your friends and family. Until next video, see you, bye.